What are you making, Brianna?
I'm making a corn on the cob.
Corn on the cob. How many pieces of corn do you need on that one?
7.
7. How many do we have? Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. So we need a couple more. Can you put 2 more on there? Okay, let's count them. Let's see if we have 7. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
How many did we need?
7.
You got all of them. Good job.
Now we need some more.
Okay, let's do another one. How many is supposed to be on this one?
4.
4. Very good.
A little more.
Gonna do a little more glue? Yeah, you need a lot of glue to make sure they stick. Do a little more than that. That should be good.
I think I need to do one more.
Okay, you can do a little more. That's good. Good job.
Now we need some corn.
Yeah.
It's almost gone. The corn is almost gone.
Mm-hmm. How many is that?
1.
1. Good job.
Now we need corn now.
Yeah.
There's some more glue in the bowl.
Yeah, there's more glue.
Look. It's just that's a bowl. That's sheep.
Oh yeah, there's animals on there, huh? The sheep.
Here's a sheep.
There's another sheep. How many pieces of corn do you have on there?
7.
No, count them.
1, 3.
There's 3, yeah.
I need more blue.
I think you have enough glue.
I can't touch up my blue.
No.
It's almost dry.
Okay, let's count and see how many.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many did we need?
4.
Yay, you got all of them. Good job. Thank you. Ooh, this is a hard one. Look at all those. How many do we need?
8.
Wow, that's a lot.
There's some more. There's one left.
Yeah, there's 1 corn on the cob left.
And one more of that.
Good job. Okay. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say we'll see you later.
See you later.